especially right now, a lot of people are focused on Japan. They're looking at you know, the other, you know, tragedies happening in the world, which is, of course, is important. But all the tragedies that have been going on for a long time often get overlooked.
We were really delighted to help with this project with the Congo, and the students really were very passionate about working and helping, and they thought it would be wonderful to get the word out at the university, as well as other colleges and universities in the Washington, D.C. area, about having some kind of event today, or supporting the event today.
And we have a lot of students from the U.S. who has been already gone in the Congo to work in our orphanages, to work in our eco-village, and we are receiving calls from everywhere, and we are sending a lot of students to the Congo. Some of them are teaching English, others are teaching computer, IT, others again are going to work in our clinic, and others are going to work in the orphanages to help children to learn English and to learn other way of living. And we are very, very proud of all the volunteers who have been already with us in the Congo, and we're inviting more of them who would like to go to come and to help the people of the Congo.